Are you thinking about making a move to South Florida and you're looking for a gated golf community, but you want new construction and you want it to be all ages? Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this video. My name is Megan Schoner. I'm a local real estate agent here in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I love helping you guys from YouTube every single day find your treasure of a home. So whether or not you're looking in the next 9 days, 90 days, next year or two, please feel free to reach out to me. My personal cell phone and email are listed below. I would love to answer any questions that you have and help you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast. So in today's video, I wanted to go over a new builder to the area. This is a builder that is based out in Jacksonville, but is new to the Port St. Lucie area. The builder is called Dream Finders. So if you are new to my channel and are wondering where in the world Port St. Lucie, Florida is, we are located on the east coast of Florida on the Atlantic Ocean side. We are 2 hours north of Miami, about 45 to 50 minutes north of West Palm Beach, Florida. We're about 2 hours from Orlando and located on the Atlantic side. So this community, Glynlea Country Club, is a newer area, and it's in this area that we call Bristol, or sometimes you'll hear it in a new area that you will is known as Wilder. And Wilder is just to the northwest side of PGA Village. So it's kind of tucked behind St. Lucie West area. The nice thing about it is it's really quiet. So a lot of the new building that we're having, like in the Tradition area, for example, is getting really crowded. If you're looking for a community that is a little bit quieter, you have a little bit more nature around you, you're not necessarily going to see a lot of the big power lines, this might be a great area to check out. So in Glynlea Country Club, we have 3 current builders in there. You have Lennar. The way that Lennar builds is you can't do any kind of customization. They like to say everything's all included, and it's more of like your entry level type home where it's all in pricing. Then we also have Perry Homes, which is a custom builder. You can customize everything in the inside. You can change and move walls and really do your own unique customization to the house. That is more of a luxury price point. And then now we have this new builder, Dream Finders, that's coming into Glynlea Country Club, which is kind of in the middle range. So right, everything's kind of ranging between like the $500,000 to $700,000 price point in that with this builder. And what's nice is while they do have the specific floor plans that are available, you are able to add a second story if you'd like. You can customize all the design features inside. So you can add the the waterfall countertops. You can do the gourmet kitchens, all of that. You can't necessarily change the walls and the configurations of the interior, but you can do all of your own finishes, which is kind of a nice feature. Okay, so the fees for this community, everyone is required to have either a social membership or the golf membership. The social membership has an initiation fee of $5,000, and then the annual dues will be $3,600. That gives you unlimited access to the social amenities, the unlimited access to the club restaurants, and limited fee-based access to the driving range. And then for the full golf membership, the initiation fee is $25,000 with annual dues of $6,600. And then the other golf fees, just in case you want to know about those two, the cart fees are $35 for 18 holes, $20 for 9 holes, and then the private cart trail that plan is $3,600 annually. In terms of the golf course, it is the debut signature course by the 17-time PGA Tour champion Jim Furyk. It is his debut course. Players of all levels are welcomed by 4 sets of tees, leading them through sand bunkers, scrub pines, around glistening lakes, along wetlands where wildlife roam, and each hole carrying the name of the tour win. And then in addition to the 18-hole golf course, there is a really innovative first ever top tracer aquatic driving range in the nation located at this golf course. And the high-tech approach to practice tracks your swings, floats targets across the water, and makes progress feels enjoyable as it is rewarding. Additionally, there is a golf shop, so you can have expert club fittings help you find the right fit for your game. And this is all run by the Hampton Golf team. In addition, this community is going to have a 10-acre resort-style campus with all different amenities. You're going to have a resort-style pool. You're going to have the Fairways Tavern. Those two have not yet opened. You have the Golf Pro Shop along with tennis courts, pickleball. There's also going to be a green space for different outdoor concerts, as well as a gym and fitness center. And again, what's unique about this community is just the location of it. With it's going to be 560 acres within the master plan community of Wilder in general. The gated golf neighborhood is designed to bring modern living into harmony with nature. They're going to have more than 900 residents in this Glynlea Country Club. Nearly every home site will have either views of the fairways, water, or preserved wetlands. The location of this community is just off of I-95. It's just south of the Midway Road exit, which is as far north as you can go in Port St. Lucie. Midway is the line that divides Fort Pierce to the north and Port St. Lucie to the south. So you'll be just south of that. And you're west of 95, basically right by Glades Cutoff Road. So south of Midway Road, a little bit north of St. Lucie West Boulevard, and to the west of PGA Village by Glades Cutoff. So this whole area is called Wilder. And in Wilder, you have 4 seasons. You have lots of different communities. So you have Bristol at Wilder, which you have Bristol North and Bristol South. That has a lot of family-friendly communities in there. And then you also have 4 Seasons by K. Havornian Homes. That's a 55 and older community. And then you have Glynlea Country Club, which has, as I mentioned, the 3 builders, Dream Finders that we're featuring here, and then Lennar and Perry Homes. You're also going to be adding, in this Wilder community, they're going to put in a Publix and a shopping plaza, and eventually adding a lot more shops and different amenities to this area. But what's really nice about it is really quiet. So if you're looking for a nice area with lots of beautiful, wetlands and nature preserve, but you still want the resort style community and you want a golf community, this is a great neighborhood to check out. Now, this builder just opened in the community. All of their lots are currently on the golf course, and they have some fantastic introductory pricing. So the introductory pricing, where it's all in pricing. So this is including your lot, all the upgrades in the house and the house itself. So the prices on this, and these are all available in September and October of 2026. They range from $514,900 for the Sorrento, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,941 square feet under air, all the way up to the Ravenna 2, which is the model home that we're going to take a look at a little bit later. That is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath. That is a 2-story. It also includes a study, gourmet kitchen, 3,104 square feet under air, and that is for $707,000. And then you have a lot of other options that are in between the $514,000 to $700,000 price point. That's all in to be on the golf course with all of your finishes and everything inside. There's only a couple of these, as this is their introductory pricing, but I wanted to get this out to you guys. The HOA on this is very low. Currently at Glynlea Country Club, they have the golf pro shop that's open. They have the golf course, the 18-hole golf course that's open, and the driving range. They do have the tennis and pickleball courts that are open, but the pool and the clubhouse has not yet been completed. So the HOA for the year is only $184. There is a CDD. The CDD, again, is a community development district tax that goes on your tax bill. It's paid annually, and that is $2,500 for the year. One of the nice things too about this builder, and these homes are on a 50-foot lot, and standard ceiling height is 9 foot 4 inches on the first floor and 9 feet on the second floor. Again, all concrete block structures, impact hurricane windows, and really nice design features. So let's take a look at the model home. One other thing that I forgot to mention earlier about the golf course, it's a little bit different, is this golf course is going to be a private golf course, and they're only going to allow between like 300 and 320 total memberships. Some of the other ones, other country clubs in the area have a lot more members. It's a little bit harder to get the tee time. And so limiting that is really going to help if you are an avid golfer, be able to get all the tee times available and just have it maybe make it feel a little bit more smaller, a little bit more exclusive. So that is something that's a little bit different about this golf course club. And then additionally, the incentives right now for the first, I believe it's the first 9 homes that they sell in there, is that they are going to waive the $25,000 initiation fee. So if you are looking to get into a golf course community, new construction, with your lot directly on the golf course, the homes that I had listed with the prices below, with the prices earlier, include the lot, the house, and all the upgrades in there. And it does include that $25,000 initiation fee that is waived for you. So a great opportunity if you're looking to get in and get into a home this fall before the cold temperatures hit. Let me know. Please reach out to me. I would love to give you more information and help you. And with new construction, I always remind you guys too, if you are looking at a new construction, please reach out to your realtor. Hopefully it's me before you visit new construction, because once you go in there and register, if you say you're not working with a realtor or you don't have your realtor there with you, you cannot change your mind and go back and add us later. It does not cost you anything to have to work with a realtor. We're paid out of their marketing budget, the builder's marketing budgets, but it's always better to have somebody on your side, especially if you're not from the area and you want me to check on the progress, you want me to beat up the builder, know about the different incentives, the different options that are available, answer any questions that you have, and be your advocate. So just a heads up. If you have any questions about this community, anything else here in Port St. Lucie or on the Treasure Coast, please feel free to reach out to me. My email and cell phone are listed below. I would love to answer any questions that you have and help you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast.